How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another DIY with Frank. In today's episode we are going to be working on this R33 GTST, so stay tuned. Boo, 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 boo. So as you can see right here, this car, Daniel, shut up. So as you can see right here, this Skyline has some condensation in the headlight, so we are going to be fixing that. It was wrapped in a some kind of vinyl layer, and I just remove it, and as you can see we have to fix that condensation, and maybe we will go ahead and polish it to give it a new shiny style. So let's go ahead and remove it. So the first thing that we have to do is take out this grill. So to remove this grill, I have this bolt right here. As you can see, it's a 10mm bolt nut. So I will go ahead first and take those off. Since the grill is out, the next step is to come right here on the back, and with a 10mm wrench take that bolt out. Yeah, that bolt right there on the back is off. Now it's time to go ahead and take out this one right here on the top. Voila, the bolt is out. And the last one we have to take out is this one right here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but it is just right there. Yeah, that one right there. It is also a 10mm one. So as you can see now, we will be able to move the headlight. So next what we have to do is to take out the switches. As you can see, we have this switch right here and the switch right this switch right there, and also here on the back. Yeah, we have to take those ones.
One eternity later.
So what I did is to take out all the bulbs and everything and let it dry on the sun.
Meanwhile,
as you can see right there, guys, I've just took off the sticky the vinyl wrap, but as you can see it's still a bit sticky. So what we are going to do now is to use soapy water to take out most of the glue that we have right there. So here, as you can see, guys, I am just spraying soapy water on the headlights, and with my hands I'm trying to remove the glue residue that was left by the wrap. So just take your time and step by step remove it slowly, and eventually it will come off. So yeah, guys, as you can see, this is the result of trying to take out the glue, but don't worry, it's just water mixed with that glue and it became with that color. So right now what we are going to do is to polish them. I have those I have this polisher. It's a set of polishing, as you can see right there. So with this we are going to polish our headlights to make sure that they become new. So there are 3 sets of polishing. This is the first one, there is the second one, and the last one. So let's go ahead and polish the other one that is off the car. I believe you can see right here that this part is almost done, so we still have to keep sanding. So now I'm doing it on the other headlight from that still on the car, and as you can see, it's starting to become more cleaner. So yeah guys, sanding paper 1 is done. So now what we have to do is to use the sandpaper number 2. The process is the same. You have to buff it until it shines, and then we will move to the third one. So as you guys can see, we just did the last step of sanding. It's looking better than we did before, but we still have to make it shine. So in order to do that, this kit was provided with this UV coating. So we will put just a little drops on this free dust paper, involve it with this sponge, and do one direction layer. We will apply it in one direction to see how it looks. So let's just go ahead and wrap it and start shining. So I believe you can start seeing the difference between this part and this part that I have applied. I will put some more drops, and yeah guys, so this is the final result. I have just applied it. You can see it's looking very nice. I'm going to take it to show you how the one that I didn't apply it's looking versus this one that I have applied. As you see, it was a very easy process. So I believe that now you can start doing it yourself. So I will leave in the down below the links from where I bought the where I bought the kit, to make sure that you use and make sure your headlights become shiny. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bells to get notifications when I post new videos. And if you have any car question, you can email me at mozambicangt@gmail.com, and also you can follow me on social media at mozambicangt. So that's it. See you next time. Peace.